Good afternoon, students. This side is facilitator and motivator Ravina Khan, and today I'm going to start the topic voice. That means active and passive voice. Now, the first question comes that what is voice? Then, the voice is that form of a verb which shows whether what is denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. And we could also notice that when the verb is changed from the active voice to the passive voice, the object of the transitive verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Let me give you one example. Sita loves Savitri. Here, in this example, Savitri is the object of love in the active voice, becomes the subject of is loved in the passive voice. We can also say that the object of a verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the passive form. It follows that only transitive verbs can be, verbs can be used in the passive voice because an intransitive verb has no object. We all know that. If you say that, here you can see the example Sita loves Savitri, and the answer of this Sita loves Savitri is Savitri is loved by Sita. Here we can see that these two sentences express the same meaning, but the form of the verb shows that the person denoted by the subject does something, okay, and the verb loves is said to be in the active voice and the verb loved is said to be in the passive voice. That means something is done to someone. Now, if we look over the means pattern of active and passive voice, then the pattern of simple present tense is means active is subject plus V1 or V5 plus object, and the passive form is just opposite of that. So hence we can also say that the active voice is so called because the person denoted by the subject acts, and a verb is in the passive voice means that we always have to remember that a verb in the passive voice when it forms shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject, and the passive is so called because the person or thing denoted by the subject is not active but passive, that is suffers or receives some action. And students, you must know when to use the active voice and when to use the passive, and the ability to change the active voice into the passive and vice versa is not sufficient, because the active voice is used when the agent, that means doer of the action, is to be made prominent. The passive, when the person or thing acted upon it, is to be made prominent. Here, the passive is therefore generally preferred when the active form would involve the use of an indefinite or verb pronoun or noun. That means that somebody, they, people, we, etc. This kind of examples are as subject. That is, when we do not know the agent or when it is clear enough who the agent is. Okay, and always note that, however, that as in the examples that I have given earlier, Sita loves Savitri and all, the biphase cannot be avoided where the agent has some importance and is necessary to complete the sense. Now again come to the topic that again I'll tell you that the pattern of the simple present tense of active is subject plus V1 or V5 plus object, and the passive form of simple present tense is object plus is, am, are plus V3 plus subject. So here you can see example, I write a letter is written by me. So I write a letter over here is in active voice and a letter is written by me is in passive voice. Now next one, the pattern of present continuous of active is subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus object. And the pattern of present continuous of passive form is object plus is, am, are plus being plus V3 plus subject. Now if we look over the example here, the present continuous of example is he is flying a kite. Then the passive of this sentence will be a kite is being flown by him. Coming to the next one, the present perfect of active is subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. And the passive form of present perfect tense is object plus has or have plus been plus V3. So according to this pattern, the example you can look over here in your screen is he has driven a car. And if you look over here, the passive form of this sentence will be a car has been driven by him. Now if we come to the next topic, simple past, then the simple past of an active voice, if we talk about the simple past of active voice, then the pattern will be subject plus V2 plus object. This is the pattern of simple past active. And if we talk about the simple past passive, then the pattern will be object plus was or were plus V3 plus subject. Now coming to the example, that will be he wrote a novel, and the passive of this will be a novel is written by him. Next one is past continuous tense. Now the past continuous of active is the pattern is subject plus was or were plus V4 plus object, and the past continuous of passive is object plus was or were plus being plus V3 plus subject. Now if we talk about example, then you could look over here in your screen. The active will be she was closing the door, and the passive of this past continuous example will be the door was being closed by her. If I give the second example, then that will be they were discussing the matter, and the passive of this sentence will be the matter was being discussed by them. As you can know that this is the pattern, as according to the pattern of active, then she was closing the door, then the pattern is subject plus was plus V4 plus object. You can look over here. Sentence is made actually according to the pattern. And if we talk about the passive, then according to the pattern means object plus was plus being plus V3 plus subject. Then here it is, the door was being closed by her. Now next one is past perfect tense. This is the last of the past one. Then the if we talk about the pattern of past perfect, then the pattern will be subject plus had plus V3 plus object, and the passive form of this past perfect tense will be object plus had plus been plus V3 plus subject. If we talk about the example, then you can look over here. Somebody had stolen my watch means that according to the pattern, that was subject plus had plus V3 plus object, then there it is, somebody had stolen my watch. And the passive of this sentence will be according to the pattern object plus had plus been plus V3 plus subject. Then the passive is my watch had been stolen. And if I talk about the another example, then that will be I had painted the wall. This is the active one. And if you talk about the passive of this sentence, then according to the pattern, that will be the wall had been painted by me. So students, this was the part 1 of your active and passive voice, and in our next video, means in our next class, then we'll talk about the part 2 of active, that will be simple future and future perfect. So that's all for today. Hope you like the video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.